shown in the figure below. Prepare to printhead cables, 1 TX800 printhead, and 4 components. Insert the nozzle cable into the slot. The second nozzle cable is inserted into the second slot. Cover the exposed parts of the joints with masking tape to prevent ink from entering the printhead cable. Insert the screws into the 4 holes of the printhead. Place the printhead in the appropriate position on the device. Fix the printhead. Take out the required ink cartridges and arrange them. Fix the ink cartridges onto the printhead in order, paying attention to whether they are in place. Arrange the nozzle cables, connect and organize the cables. The TX800 printhead has been installed.